1.2, you're going to compare numbers through the 100,000s place value.
So, I compare these two numbers, and at first I look at the first number. So the first number is at 4 and 4, so you can't really decide anything from those. So I look at the second numbers. Those are the same two, so I can't really decide anything of that. Next number is a 3, but it's 46,000 on one of them, and the other one is 463,000. So even though the third number of each of them is 3, I can tell that what number is bigger because they have another number in the number, and this is 46,000, and the other one is 463,000.
So what you're saying is you start comparing numbers starting from the left moving over, but you notice something is that the 4 in these numbers, one is in the which place value? This one right here
10,000.
Is in the 10,000s place, and the 4 in this one is in which place value?
The 100,000.
So automatically, what do you know?
We know that the number on the right is bigger.
Will you show us that with a symbol, please? Okay, so he compared the two simply by knowing that one of them starts in the 100,000s place. Show me thumbs up, thumbs sideways, thumbs down. How are you feeling about that skill? These two numbers.
Okay. So each number still has a 4 at the beginning, here and here, but so does the 6 and 6, still the same at the beginning. So does 3 and 3. But what's different is on 6 and 8 for the hundreds place, and 5 and 5 still for the tens place for each number. But a 3 for the first one for the ones place, and a 0 for the second one in the ones place. So so pretty much this one is higher. So this one's lower. This one's technically higher.
Okay, so what you were saying is you started from the left and you compared the two numbers, and what place value is this?
The 100,000.
The 100,000. So in the 100,000s place, there's the same number, so it's the same value. Then you compare the numbers in this place value. What's the place value here?
The place value there is 10,000.
The 10,000s place both had 6s, so they were the same value there, right? What's this place value?
The 1,000.
Thousands place has the same value because they both have a 3 in them, right? And then you said this is where it gets tricky. So what you saw here was you said in the hundreds place value, this one had a 6 and this one had an 8.
Mm-hmm.
So what did you know immediately?
I knew that this one was starting to get a little higher than that one.
Will you show us with a symbol how you know which one's larger or greater?
This one.
Excellent. Comparing numbers, I start on the right side from the lowest place value. Okay, so I start in the ones place. One's larger, move up, move up. Here we are. This is where it starts to get, and then same. That way I can isolate these, and I can see these numbers in a much smaller or focused area. You're going to be using 3 symbols. Actually, there could be 4 symbols that you use, but I think you're going to be using 3 symbols. That's greater than. So we always read it from left to right. So the number on the left is greater than the number on the right. Remember, I think some of you might have learned that the crocodile mouth, it wants to eat the greater number, right? This is less than. So when you read it, you're reading the number from the left to the right. The number on the left is less than the number on the right. Okay? There's this number, which is equal to. Okay? We okay with equal to? Okay. I think these are the three primary symbols you'll use. Something you may see moving forward is this. You will not use this today, but just so that you recognize it, this means not equal to, simply not equal to. And most of the time you'll see it in algebra, but I just want you to have some awareness of what that means. Okay?